Welcome to Schooling CBSE Class 9 Social Science Economics Chapter 3 Poverty as a Challenge. What is poverty? Poverty is a state or condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources and essentials for a minimum standard of living. The income level from employment is very low that basic human needs cannot be met. It is the most difficult challenge faced by independent India. Poor people do not have proper balanced food, shelter, and clothing, which are the essentials of life. Who are the poor? The poor can be landless laborers in villages. They generally live in juggies in cities and towns. They are daily wage workers at construction sites, or they may be child workers in dabas or even beggars. India has the largest single concentration of the poor in the world. Two typical cases of poverty. The two illustrations show different dimensions of poverty. Poor people lack regular income, so they are pushed into poverty. The urban case. Ram Saran, a daily wage worker, works in a flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand and earns rupees 1500 per month. He supports 6 persons in his family and sends money to his elderly parents. His wife and son also work, but none of his 4 children can attend school. They live in a one-room rented house on the outskirts of the city. His children are malnourished. They have few clothes or footwear and they don't have access to health care. Let us consider the rural case. Laka Singh is a landless laborer in a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. He does odd jobs for farmers and earns rupees 50 per day. Some days he gets food grains or vegetables instead of cash. He is not literate and his family of 8 people live in a kacha house near the edge of the village. They cannot afford new clothes or even soap or oil. Health is a question mark for them. Poverty analysis by social scientists. Social scientists analyze poverty from many aspects apart from the levels of income and consumption. These aspects are low level of literacy, malnutrition leading to poor resistance to disease, lack of access to health care, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to sanitation and safe drinking water, and so on. What are the indicators for poverty? The most commonly used indicators for poverty analysis are social exclusion and vulnerability. In this picture, you can see a person being excluded from the society. That is what is called as social exclusion. What is social exclusion? Social exclusion means living with poor people in poor surroundings. Poor people are not accepted by well-off people. So automatically they will have to live in poor surroundings along with poor people only. They are excluded from enjoying social equality with well-off people in the better surroundings. Caste system might also be a reason for social exclusion. People belonging to certain castes were prevented from enjoying equal facilities, benefits, and opportunities. This caused more misery and poverty than the poor earnings. Vulnerability. What is vulnerability? Unexpectedly, some people are prone to poverty due to the sudden death or accident of the head of the member who will be the earning member of the family. Example, members of a backward caste or individuals. Example, widows, physically handicapped people of becoming or remaining poor in the coming times. Vulnerability is determined by various options available to different communities in terms of assets, education, job, health, etc. and analyze their ability to face various risks like natural disasters. The group which face greater risk at the time of natural calamity are called vulnerable groups. Maybe if the husband dies and the widow is an educated person, she can work, she can become an earning member for the family. So she is going to oppose the vulnerability and she is going to gain income for the family. Poverty line. Poverty line is an imaginary line used by any country to determine its poverty. It is considered appropriate by a country according to its existing social norms. It varies from time to time, place to place, and country to country. The most common method of determining poverty is income or consumption levels. That is, people will be considered poor if their income or consumption level falls below a given minimum level, poverty line, necessary to fulfill their basic needs. Poverty line estimation in India. The estimated minimum level of income needed to secure the necessities of life, below which a person is pushed into poverty. It is an imaginary line. In India, subsistence level or minimum level of food requirement according to the calorific value, clothing, footwear, fuel, lighting, education and medical requirements, etc. are determined for estimating the poverty line. Rural and urban areas differ in the nature of work and the prices of commodities, the calorific requirement and expenditure per capita are also different. Calorie per day for urban and rural. The average calorie consumption in India is 2400 calories for the rural people and 2100 calories for the urban people. People of rural areas require higher calorie intake as compared to the people residing in urban areas because in rural areas people do plowing, sowing of seeds, walking for long distances, etc. While in urban areas people travel by car, sit in comfort in their offices while working. Most of them do work on their desks in front of the computer. Hence, more calories are not required. Organizations involved in estimating poverty line. Surveys for determining poverty line are carried out by the National Sample Survey Organization NSSO. It is an organization under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation of the Government of India which conducts surveys at the interval of 5 years. It is the latest organization in India conducting regular socio-economic surveys which was established in 1950 for determining the poverty line in various countries and for their comparison. International organizations like the World Bank use a uniform standard method. As per this method, the poverty line is level of minimum availability of the equivalent of $1 per person per day. Groups vulnerable to poverty. Poverty among social groups and economic categories varies widely in India. Social vulnerable groups are the households of the scheduled castes SCs and scheduled tribes STs. Economically vulnerable groups comprise rural landless labor households and urban casual labor households. During the last few years, all these groups except the scheduled tribes group have witnessed a decline in poverty. Poorest of the poor. So whom do we call the poorest of the poor? There is a great difference within poor families. It is observed that female infants, women and elderly members are not given equal access to resources available to the family. So they are called the poorest of the poor. End of part 1. We have come to the end of part 1 of this chapter. I hope you would have understood about this chapter. For more videos on statistics, social science from classes 6 to 10, sociology for classes 11 and 12, and economics classes 9, 10, 11 and 12, please watch Schooling on YouTube. Like, share, comment and subscribe Schooling. Thank you.